Hello, okay. What's up? So, today I'm going to do an interesting challenge. Can I complete not one, not two, but three question 1C papers of the computer science? I'm going to be doing the year 22 and 1. I haven't done, actually have done, have I? Wait, let me just double check. No, I haven't done this question before. I done this in TY. I haven't done this before, so couldn't do 2022 because I did that in a different video. I can show you here actually. Now you may have noticed. Oh, there's a webcam. Yes, it's I'm using my webcam to show the hand view. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm just gonna see if I increase the brightness, will it be better? It looks terrible. Okay. Anyways, so I did 2020. I already did 2022. So I'm basically just doing 21, 23, and 24. So I'm clearing them up. I've done the 2025. I was looking at these and like they don't look that bad. I was just scrolling through, seeing whether I've done them or not. And I also had to get ChatGPT to give me the code because I can't just copy this, because if I do that, it's just gonna copy all this and copy all that, and it's just a waste of time. But anyways, so my rules here is I have to start with 2021. I can't use AI. Obviously, you don't use AI in the exam. You do use it if you are working as a software engineer or anything like that. Because if you don't, you're kind of falling behind. AI, you have to use it as a tool nowadays. But anyways, another rule is I am allowed to use the Python reference guide, but I doubt I'll need it. Is there anything else I need to say? No. I want to try to get it done in 30 minutes, but I doubt it. If I get it done in 30 minutes, I'd be quite shocked to myself. But I'm trying to aim for 45 minutes. So let's start with the 2021. Let me just get ready. Let's begin. Bang. Alright, let's start. 2021. Just have a drink first. But anyways, let's begin. Enter word in space in line 2. I'm going to ignore that for now. The function is determines whether or not two words are one or will be used until part. I will not be used until part 5. Okay, will not be used until part 5. So you want me to enter the first word? Listen. Okay. Currently the value of word 2, so modify the program so that it prompts the user to enter the second word, then assign whether the value user enters word 2. Okay, perfecto. Word 2 equals input. Enter the second word. Yes. If both words are programmed, listen. Listen is an argument. Word 1 is an anagram of word 2. So if I do listen silent, not listening is an anagram of silent. Enter the program and not anagram or not, just so. Okay. I'll sprint. Word 1. Not an anagram of word 2. Should work. Listen array. Ha! Very relevant to the topic, am I right, guys? They knew what they were doing. Oh, I forgot something. They like I know the examiners knew what to do. Oh, let's add the keyword list in array. I'm sure they won't notice, right? I don't know why my caps lock key wasn't working if you install that on the webcam. Extend. The problem isn't to determine whether or not the two words to use the function is anagram to determine. Oh, so it doesn't even use is anagram. I just realized that. Extend of this is metric choice. Okay. If is anagram is anagram word 1, word 2. The reason why I'm not doing any conditional checks because by default it will check if it's true or not, and if it's not, we'll fall back to this else statement. Silent. Listen, anagram of silent. Listen, chicken. Not anagram of chicken. Perfection. Anagram can also be, for example, when there's an anagram of restaurant. The anagram with the two words conversation and extends to that once enter phrase. The program should split the two. Say whether or not word 1 is an anagram of the phrase and whether or not word 2 is an anagram of the phrase. The phrase is not anagram. Okay, so first of all we need to collect. So I'm gonna get rid of this because it's playing me. This is annoying me. So you want to add phrase equals input. Oh, did I skip a question? I think anagrams of each other. Oh, I skipped this question right here. I didn't even realize that. It's a very simple fix though. Actually, no. I don't want to affect the word at all, so what I'm actually just going to do is... this will that work? Because sorted gives out... No, that's not going to work, I don't think. The sorted gives out a list, so I don't know how I'm going to lower a list, but... whatever. So I'll just do that. In theory, that should work. Let's get rid of that for a second. Listen and silent. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so phrase equals input. Alright, so what do you want me to ask for again? Enter phrase. Enter phrase. Listen is not anagram of silent the lines. So what I'm actually just gonna do is if I'm also gonna do dot replace. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of spaces and turn them into. So if I just want to just double check that works or not. Print chicken. Helios 123. Helios 123. Perfection. So does it want me to make a function? I'm not gonna make a function because I don't think it wants me. I don't think the examiner has specifically asked me to do that. If sorted word 1 dot lower equals sorted phrase dot lower. Print f Actually, you know what? I am going to do that in a function because it's annoying me. Because it's just a waste of line space. Def is anagram phrase. Word phrase. If word. If sorted. Word lower equals sorted phrase dot lower. Print word is an anagram of phrase. Print word is not an anagram phrase, so is anagram phrase. So word one phrase. Oh, didn't mean to hear that. Word two. So on the dent. Whoa, calm down. Where is that error occurring? That's occurring on line 14. Yes, it's sorted. Print. Oh yeah, I know this. I see what's going on there. Okay, let me do test data. Conversation, conservation, is an anagram. Voices rant on. Word is it? Oh. I am silly. I forgot to include the format. Conversation. Conservation. Voices rant on. Voices rant on. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna do that here. What I will do is equals sort of phrase dot lower equals phrase dot lower. I'm just gonna do revised phrase equals phrase dot replace, just so it's not awkward. And change it here. Revised phrase. Unexpected. Okay, I made a mistake. Oh yeah, I see that. So conservation, enter phrase, voices rant on, conservation is. Okay, let's try the final test. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this at the start, but some of these questions have the long unseen ones. Basically, what I mean by that is when they give you. I'll just show you when it comes to it. But, actually, I'll just tell it now because I don't want to waste time. But anyways, okay, I have that one done. Okay, wait, do I? Yeah, perfection. Okay, but anyways, what I was talking about, it's basically when, like, I'll just show you. It's basically like when it's basically this. You don't get the code, you have to make it your entire self. You don't review do the code by yourself. So let's play this guessing game real quick. Wrong one. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, I won. When the person's round may look as follows. Change the ruling design when the user is showing the number of guesses taken. When I win, right? Yeah. You took guess count guesses. Problem was it on the secret number. Sorry, I guess it's low too sorry. Oh, that's too high. If user guess is greater than secret number. Sorry, your guess is too high. So if the user guess is greater than, you can just do mouse print. Sorry, I guess it was too low. 5. Damn, I got lucky there. 4. 1. Okay, I need to know. Okay, perfect. I just wanted to check the low was working. Anyways, YouTube for currently program has no way of ending on this to guess changes, so that it does not allow the user more. This is the value currently being passed. And you only okay. And guess counts not equal to max guesses allowed. So right now 5, 4, 6, 11. Perfecto. Currently number is most so that user enter the maximum number of guesses allowed. Max guesses maximum number of guesses allowed. So guesses. We actually haven't learned function by telling you I was considered function. It's like now 3, 7, 7, 2, 2, 21. Whoa! The fuck is that button I just clicked, bro? 2, 3, 6. Perfect. It's always been modify the program so that okay. Level equals string input. Actually, I don't need to do a string. Don't need to do string for input because by default it should be string input. Enter difficulty. Enter DIFF ICULTY easy or hard dot lower dot upper. Okay. I also need to do level here. This level in the level equals. Actually, no. I'm gonna do it more simpler way. Match level case case H, secret number equals random. No, I don't need your random. I just need your random integer. 1, 2. One to 100. Let me just check something real quick. Yeah, okay. I was just double checking. 1, 2, 1 to 100. Case. 0, 5. Case. Number. 5. So then I'm just gonna debug this and make sure this is correct. So secret number 5 E 4 H 2 F. Okay, perfecto. Also, let me just make the thing perfection. And what do you want me to do? You already guessed. So you wait. Let me just make sure I got this right. Yeah. And so you already guessed this number. Oh, what the fuck? So you already guessed this number. So guess is equal. So guess is append so that we can keep track of these. I guess you only need to do it. If guess and guesses right. If these are guess, my fault. Yes, this number 10 5 1 1. Okay, perfection. What the hell? So that's that question done. Perfection. Now this question. Oh, no, this question. Right line. So random fruit. Okay, let me just go to the question first. Right line of code to subdivide random fruit and fruit 1. Is this gonna be orange the entire time? Damn. I was saying this too from you could also okay. That hard. Perfect. Add code to display. The first fruit is cherry if the random fruit is a cherry. When the code add the first if the random what? That is so random. If random fruit 1 equals cherry. print the first fruit is cherry. First fruit is if the random fruit is cherry. Oh, we want a new line. How do I do a new line? Let's go. Come on, give me cherry. Good. Add code to the first pair match if the first two fruits are the same. If random fruit 1 equals random fruit 2. First pair match. That's perfect. Did I just get the exact same combination? Wait. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Add code first pay are cherries if the two fruits are both cherries. And the output may look as follows. First pair of cherries. The first two fruits are both cherries. Okay. And first pair of cherries. First pair match. Okay, so if random fruit 1 equals cherry, random fruit 2 equals cherry, print first pair of cherries. Okay, let's hope we get a combination. Cherry, that's perfection. That goes matching pair if any two fruits are the same. When the program is matching pair, any two fruits are the same. When the program is run, output may now look matching pair if any two fruits are the same. Okay, that's an interesting question, actually. How do I go about doing that? Go to display matching pair if any two fruits are the same. Oh, actually, I have an idea. For fruit in range, for fruit in is that gonna work? So if we loop true, if we iterate true, okay, for fruit in for position and fruit in enumerate fruits. If fruit in if fruit in fruits and position fruits position does not equal fruit, then there's definitely a more simpler way of doing this, but my mind is blank right now. I've had a long day in school, so hopefully I won't have a long day during the Loom cert. Do we even need that anymore? Oh, it doesn't want that anymore, so we just have to get rid of that? I'm guessing we just commented. So we'll just comment it. orange. Okay, there's definitely no. This is wrong. How do I do that then? Oh wait, no. I think you can just do this with an else statement. Different fruit. Let me think about that. Two fruits are the same. So we have one that checks first pair. It's a hard question. It's weird. I've never seen this type of hard question come up. I might be overthinking it actually. Um. That's a good question. I actually don't know how to do that. Extend the program that iterates 100 times. This should generate after lose. The program should display code. I'm back. Sorry. So basically, what happened? My mom came in, so I had to pause at the actually end of the video. But I'm back now. So I think like I'm overthinking it. So I think my best strategy maybe it's an interesting problem. Okay. If random fruit equals 1 equals random fruit 2, or this could be very counterintuitive. Like this might be like the most counterintuitive. There's definitely a more efficient way of doing this. It's just like I might not be seeing it right now, but I'm just gonna do the way that it's also good. So I did try do did try doing a full iteration process, I think, but like it wouldn't work. I was trying to do enumerations and position ignoring, but it didn't work. So if one fruit, I'm not sure if this is right. I'm probably going to ask an AI robot to double check that though. So fruit, if so 1 and 2 match. Okay, if 1 and 3 match, okay, or if 2 or 3. If print matching pair. Okay, I think it's working. But anyways, should display a count of numbers on each fruit. There's no need to the names of the 100 fruits. Okay, that's actually not that bad. Apples equals 0. Cherries equals 0. Oranges equals 0. Fry in range 100. Print. Actually, no. What I'm gonna do is so choice case. It's an apple. Apples plus equal 1. Case. Cherry. Cherries plus equal 1. Case. Orange. Case plus equals. Case plus equal what? Oranges plus equal 1. And boom. It is done. I am done. So print. Cherries. This should work. Oranges. Oranges. 34. So 34 plus 27. No, 33 plus 39 would be 75. Would it be 34? I'm just gonna ask calculator to do it. 34 plus 39 plus 27. Yeah. And we're done. That is insane. Now let's just double check that I have this all done. Actually, first of all, as I mentioned, I'm not gonna do